here's a typical titration question. We've got 18.2 milliliters of 0.0350 molar sodium hydroxide that is going to neutralize 15.0 milliliters of vinegar. Okay, what is the concentration of vinegar? So the first thing you want to do is write out, use molarity as a conversion factor. Write out the 0.0350 m as moles per liter and use that to convert what I've underlined there in big bold blue. Okay, so we're starting with 18.2 milliliters. Okay. $18.2 milliliters, if you divide by 1,000, it's this many liters. And now we want to take that liters and use the molarity as a conversion factor. So here, I'll do it in white colored pen so it shows up a little better in the video. We want to express .0350 capital M as moles of sodium hydroxide per liter. Okay, liter. So you can see how the liters are going to cancel here, and you grab your calculator and you punch this in, you get an answer. Okay, I get 0. I'm getting scientific notation. I'm getting 6.37 times 10 to the minus 4. Okay, I'm just going to write it like this. And the units here are moles of sodium hydroxide. Okay. Now, the next step you want to do is using stoichiometry, find your stoichiometric factor from the balanced chemical equation. In one of the post-lab questions, you do not have 1, 1, 1, 1. You might have a 2 or a 3 in the balanced chemical equation. That's a major hint there. So here we know they react 1 to 1. So we can say 1 mole of acetic acid is equal to 1 mole of hydroxide. Okay? So we want to take this guy right here and these coefficients and convert from moles of NaOH, that's this chemical, to moles of vinegar, which is acetic acid, this chemical. Okay. I have a lot of students that say, can't I just skip that step? How else are you going to show how your units are canceling and you're converting from moles of your base to moles of your acid? In some cases, it's not 1 and 1. Obviously, you can skip your calculator because we can multiply by 1 in our minds. So we get 0.000637 moles of acetic acid. Now, this is at the very end of the problem when we actually utilize this information right here, the 15 milliliters, okay? So we know that molarity is a unit of concentration. It's moles divided by liters, okay? We have moles right here that we just calculated, and we can divide that by 1,000 just very easily to get liters, okay? So next we do molarity. So step 3. We have 15 milliliters. That's this many liters. And we have this many moles of acetic acid per that many liters. So you've still got that on your calculator. Divide by 0.015, and you get 0.042. Now, what are the units here? You can write moles of CH3CO2H per L, or you could write capital M. Titrations are always a three-step calculation. Calculate the moles of your base, calculate the moles of your acid. Step 3, calculate molarity. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you with the pre-lab.